right, if x to the negative 1/3 equals 2, that's what they said in the problem, what is the value of x? So I'm looking for what does x equal to. All right, that means over here, I need to get rid of this negative 1/3. Well, first, I want to make that negative exponent become positive. Notice how this quantity is in the numerator. Okay, so it can become positive if this entire quantity comes in the denominator. That's the quotient rule, remember? N to the power of negative 1 is the same as saying 1 over n to the 1. So if I do 1 over x to the power of 1/3, that's how it becomes positive. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this equation. So notice 1 over x to the 1/3 is equal to 2. If I flip both of these on both sides, this, when I flip this, flip means reciprocate the fraction. That's x to the 1/3 at the top and a 1 at the bottom, and this becomes 1/2. All right, I like that much better. Now what I'm going to do is I want to get rid of 1/3. So first thing to understand is, what does 1/3 mean? Well, remember we talked about this. B to the 1/3 is the same thing as saying cube root of b. And the way you can get rid of cube root is cubing both sides. So cube both sides, basically, if you want to get rid of the cube root. So I'm going to cube this side. That means cubing means raised to the power of 3. And I'm going to cube this side. Now this side, that means 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, right? That's what cubing means. Multiply something 3 times. So at the top, this becomes 1. And at the bottom, this becomes 8. Here, x to the power of 1/3 times 3. That's what that means, because it's power rule. So over 1. Well, that is 1/3 times 3 over 1. Multiply fractions. So when you multiply the top, you get 3. Multiply the bottom, you get 3. That is 3 over 3. That is 1, right? Like this. That is x to the power of 1 equals 1/8. So our answer is part B.